Hi everyone, welcome. Today let us look at how do we get started with uh, Azure AI services. Uh, so for this, the first thing is of course you need a Microsoft Azure subscription, and once you have the subscription, you go to Azure AI services, and then you will it will show list of services that you've already created, and so if you don't have one, it will be empty, and you click on create. So you need to select your subscription ID, and then you can either create a resource group by clicking on create new, or select an existing resource group. Select the region, I'll leave it at default. And then here you can select a name for your instance. And this is more like will act as a custom domain. There's only one private here. And then click on the next. Here you can select the network to which you can access, from where you can access the resource. All networks is from the internet. You can choose selected networks. You can create a virtual network and submit, and also specify an address range, IP address range. You can just disable right now and later make a change in the settings. I'll leave it at all networks for now. I'm going to create the resource right now. So, and then you click on next, and then verify all your settings. Once you create, we will just have a quick look about how do we deploy a model. So for this, we use an Azure AI Studio, aa.azure.com, and you log in with the same credentials as your portal Azure. Let's look at, so here, when you first open it, your resource would not have been selected. You just need to come here. So, and then so there are two types of services, right? One is the Azure AI services, and then there is an Azure Open AI services. Uh, so here we have created Azure AI service. So this was the one that is existing, and once the other one is created, it will get listed here. So select the one that you would have created, and you will see that resource here once it loads. So the review is done, and if I click on create, it will go ahead and create this particular Azure AI service. So now here we can just go look at deployments. So deployment is where you choose a model that you want to deploy, and you can go ahead and deploy those models. There are multiple options, both OpenAI models and other models are available for you to go ahead and deploy. Let's just go ahead, select deploy base model. So these are the multiple models that are available that you can go ahead and deploy. I'll choose GPT 3.5 now. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and confirm. Now this will lead to a dialog where we need to specify. Okay, of course you can change the deployment name, whatever you like to, just keep it as default. And then what are the tokens per minute that you can use? A 5K or a 10K is good enough for many of the sample programs that you uh, would run when if you're getting started on learning. So you can keep it uh, enabled or disabled, and click on deploy will go ahead and deploy this model. So once this is deployed, you can just go to a chat playground, and here you have the view, and you can uh, start looking at using this chat. So if you see here, the system message is what gives the instruction to the LLM. You are an AI assistant that helps people find information. This is the default one. Um, I just say hi. Okay, so you have a playground. You can play around with it. Uh, we will look more into the parameters and other options that are available in the chat playground in the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.